Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating a module script where your custom event system will live. Name it Event Dispatcher and require it where needed. Once done, set scope. Use bindable event patterns for server-only signaling versus remote event for client-server communication. You then define a table that stores listener callbacks and implement connect and fire functions so code subscribes or triggers events. Make sure to initialize listener lists immediately because an empty table prevents nil errors when firing events later in your game. You now implement the core methods, connect and fire. Connect should insert the callback into the listener's array and return a function that removes that callback when called so you can disconnect cleanly. Fire iterates current listeners, calling each with arguments. Wrap calls in pcall to prevent one error from breaking all handlers. Once done, think about cleanup. Use weak tables or explicit disconnects on player removal, and make sure remote event forwarding preserves argument order when crossing server-client boundaries. You finish by requiring your event module in scripts that publish or subscribe to events, then test end-to-end. Fire an event and observe listeners running. Validate inputs when using remote event to prevent exploits and only forward minimal required data. If things go wrong, check the require path and initialization order first. Race conditions often cause empty listener arrays. Make sure disconnect functions are called on cleanup. One key tip: add logging around connect and fire to quickly spot missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.